Hi guys, we're at the warehouse. I'm gonna check it out, gonna see what's new, see what's going on, and show you. So come along, let's go have some fun.
Isn't this music great? Well, I had to put the music over because the music in the store was so loud, I would have been copyrighted. So the best thing to do was just to show you guys a little video with some music, some catchy little tunes, tap your toes, all that kind of stuff. But no, I tried to show prices on as much as I could. There was a lot of new merchandise, a lot of good things there. I was good. I walked out of the store with nothing in my hands, so I did a very good job. But there was a lot of items, a lot of things. So sit back, enjoy this, and I'll talk to you when we're all done. Bye.
You want to meet my friend? This is Tracy.
Hi, everybody.
She's from the UK. Her and her husband Paul are here, and I've been visiting with them, and we spent Magic Kingdom together the other day. And I told her, I said, you know what? I need to take you to the outlet. So we came to the outlet, and good thing we did. She found a Dooney. A Dooney.
Yep. Well pleased with it.
What was Steamboat Willie?
Steamboat Willie. Yep.
For a really good price, under $150. Under. Can you believe it? So the warehouse is booming. There's merchandise, there's people, there's all kinds of stuff going on now, and to show you price tags and everything else on it, but sometimes I couldn't find the price tag. So I hope you guys enjoy it. And my new friend, I love her. Love her already. We're like sisters.
Yes.
It's unbelievable. Sisters from different countries.
Exactly.
There we go. All right, guys. And if I haven't told you lately, thank you for being here, and I love you all. Bye.
Bye.